Welcome back. HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and for all the HARBROs, for all the bros, Harbor Freight is back with a weekend deal. We've been waiting, which seems like forever, but here we are. Let's go over it. Weekend deal, 30% off all items, $10 and under. So my last video was accurate. 30% off all items, $10 or under. Let's read the fine print. $425 to $427. Today's the 24th, so this is for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that says it here. Save 30% off all items, $10 and under with coupon code 60159224. Valid from Friday, April 25th through Sunday, April 27th. Limit 5. So this is all and any items under $10. Of course, the asterisk is only limited to 5, but I feel like that's hard to track, and I feel like that's leaves a lot of room for ambiguity. Multiple sales, multiple stores. I mean, I don't know how many items you actually need. 5 seems like a good limit. Valid in store and on in-stock items only. 30% off discount cannot be used with any of the following. Of course, Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items or gift cards. Coupon cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchase, including Inside Track Club member prices, non-transferable. Original coupon must be presented. Other restrictions may apply. Again, valid 4/25/25 through 4/27/25. And then for ITC, this is what we want. This is what we need. So if you're not an ITC member, this is the one. 30% off all items, $20 and under. 4/25 through 4/27. I'm assuming the fine print's the same, but we'll read it anyways. Save 30% off all items, $20 and under. Valid from Friday the 25th to the 27th. Again, limit $5. Limit 5 items, which again, it's not unambiguous. It's pretty clear, but I know it seems hard to track. But 5 should cover mostly everybody who's getting something. They just probably don't want you to go in and buy 100 things. But I've seen people buy a lot of items. No coupon required. This is for ITC. Discount applied at the register, valid in store and on in-stock items only for existing and new ITC members, 30% off. Discount cannot be used with any of the following. Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, or gift cards cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including Inside Track Club member prices, non-transferable. Other restrictions may apply, 4/25 to 4/27. This is an Inside Track Club deal, valid only for members. Our Inside Track Club members get access to exclusive member deals on new items monthly. Look for blue tags in store, view online. When you're ready to join, click to join Inside Track. 30% off $20 items. That's a huge one. So we're just going to quickly look at some of the items that are available. Remember, you can't combine this with any other deals. We're looking here at the Icon pliers first. Yes, of course, these are 35% off recently, but 30% off is not something to bat your eyes at. 30% off is excellent. So from the 8-inch needle nose pliers to 7-inch diagonal cutters, the 8-inch 3-position slip joint pliers, the pistol grip, the parrot pliers, the wire strippers, the 12-inch S-jaw quick adjust pliers, and the 9-inch adjustable pliers. You're going to be saving probably roughly about, these are all about $20. So you're saving about $6 on any of these that are $20 or below. So great choices here. Some of the nice new items you can get. These US General glove tissue dispensers or the screwdriver holders. These I don't believe will have any sales on them soon, but they're less than $20 and they're going to be 30% off. So you'll get these for $4.50 off. Any of these US General, either the screwdriver spray can holders or the glove holders. So you'll get them essentially for $10, which is a great deal. Same thing for this magnetic paper towel holder. Any of these other new items that are under $20, this scale will be $6 off. None of the new G2 ratchets, but look at this, the $7 Harbor Freight low profile trucker hat. For $7, you get 30% off of this, which will be about $2.10 off. So you'll get this for about $4-ish, almost less than $5. What a deal for a $5 HARBRO Freight hat. The Daytona extra long high leverage one piece floor jack handle for $20. That'll be $6 off. The Daytona 3-ton jack stands 2-piece. I know everybody got some 3-ton jack stands. Hopefully they match. $10. You'll get $3 off of these. Some potential Quinn sockets, half-inch drive chrome deep socket set, $18.99. You'll save almost $6 there. The diamond tip screwdriver, 6-piece, save about $3-ish, a little less than $3 there. The self-adjusting wire stripper 8-inch from Quinn, $19.99, save $6 there. And we'll leave it at that. Again, 30% off all items, $10 and under, limit 5. This is for everybody. You need the coupon. If you're ITC, 30% off of all items, $20 and under. I only gave you some examples. I know you have a better understanding than I do. What are you going to get this weekend? The $20 is huge, especially if you're ITC. In this one sale, you can probably make up the price of a membership. You don't have to get it, but it is recommended. These are the kind of ones that you want to take advantage of. Anyways, I hope you find this helpful. Happy Harbor freighting. Please consider liking and subscribing, and as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.